Hi bro, if you're interested in projects that right now or in the future can bring you good profits, you are where you need to be. My name is Daniel, and today I have found a project that is extremely suitable for these purposes for you. But before proceeding to it, I want to remind you, in any case, conduct your own project reviews and analysis, even after my videos. What is SPHERE? Sphere. Sphere is poised to power a revolution in DeFi with an auto-staking mechanism, a new financial protocol that makes staking as easy as transaction. Sphere Finance offers the $Sphere token with automatic staking and compounding capabilities, as well as a market-fixed APY of 99,900% and a daily return on investment of 1.910%. The main benefits for speakers comes from the supply and treasury growth. The taxes applied to every transaction create a price floor for every user that is holding Sphere token. The taxes are being used to invest into yield opportunities, OTC deals, and so on. One other big factor as aforementioned are the governance tokens. Sphere Finance aims to do governance acquisitions using a treasury amassed by investors for investors. The profits from the investments are then sent to investors as dividends in the form of Sphere token every 30 minutes, 48 times a day. The treasury is amassed through taxes that users agree to pay for buying, selling, and transferring their tokens, including the dynamic tax, an additional tax for every percentage of the LP that you hold and sell on a transactional basis. Later, the project will take the form of an index fund like an S&P 500 or crypto, airdropping tokens as dividends to holders. Join the movement. How do I join Sphere? After our pre-sale, it's very simple. All you have to do is buy our token on the open market via Bogged or QuickSwap. Bogged allows you to buy the token with auto tax, and therefore you don't need to adjust the slippage. How can I benefit from Sphere? The main benefits of Sphere stakers comes from the supply and treasury growth. The taxes applied to every transaction create a price for every user that is holding the Sphere token. The taxes are being used to invest into yield opportunities, OTC, and so on. One other big factor as aforementioned are the governance tax. We aim to black hole governance tokens into our treasury and use the prowess that we amass over various protocols to yield the biggest benefits to our holders. We call this the Matryoshka principle. Abstract. Provide Sphere investors with a to-be protocol to buy Sphere in exchange of governance skills. Dividends are paid by absorbing excess issuance from other governance tokens and reinvesting some of the excess back into the protocols, creating a positive feedback loop. Market dynamics. There are numerous feedback systems within the system. These are self-reinforcing behaviors. Taking action 1 increases the rate of taking action 2, which increases the rate of taking action 1. Exponential expansion and boom-bust cycles are driven by circular dynamics like this one. Player goals. Stakers primarily care about their Sphere balance. While pricing is a factor in evaluating your Sphere and calculating its growth rate, it is not the most important factor. An intelligent staker is only interested in the short and long-term growth opportunities of the protocol. Through price and equilibrium growth, this growth leads to wealth. Market dynamics. The protocol's default state is inherited from the treasury to the intrinsic value. The price always returns to this level after an extended period of inaction. The team has passed KYC verification, and the project also pays special attention to security, and they are audited by CTK. The presence of an audit indicates the transparency and reliability of this project. This is important since many projects unfortunately do fake audits, but it is easy to verify this by simply going to the company's website where the audit was conducted. And I am demonstrating this now on your screens. At the moment, the project has 11,600 holders. The guys have already achieved a lot. Just look at it. The project also has its own roadmap. This is a very important factor. A roadmap usually means high professionalism of the team, that the team has a clear plan for development of its project. It's great that they keep their promises. I personally check how they are moving step by step along their roadmap. And be sure to join the social networks of the project. I have been a part of their community for a long time, and I can say with confidence that you will learn a lot of interesting things in their social networks. The Telegram news is published in Discord, Twitter, and Telegram chat. 5,459 participants. There is an active communication. Well, that's it. At the moment, I already have several projects that I want to tell you about, and they will definitely appear in my next videos. Thanks for watching me and leaving comments. Do not forget to tell me about some mistakes if I make them, and of course, to suggest projects that you have met.